first. It's just this top edge. This promoter pack is pretty much what you're going to get. You're going to open this, take this little sponge, and wipe the areas that are prepped. So right there, you can go all the way around. The piece doesn't have tape all the way around. It's just gonna make contact in a couple key spots. Alright, so what you're going to want to do is lay this on a flat table, and it has some X's on it. You're going to put some silicone on each X, about 1 squirt. Then you're going to remove the red release liner. You're only going to get 1 shot at this, but it's pretty easy. You're going to want to come in from the bottom and go ahead and set your edge all the way back, and then just flip it up in. You're going to want to place where the tape was making contact, and allow that to cure for 24 hours. And what you're going to also want to do is leave your hood up. Don't close this hood, because what little angle you do have is kind of keeping this panel in position while the silicone cures.